This is Agago district in northern Uganda. A district that has experienced water, sanitation, and hygiene challenges over time despite interventions by different service providers. In majority of the sub-counties, communities are facing challenges of operation and maintenance of water sources, mainly resulting from uncoordinated water tariffs, mismanagement and lack of accountability of the funds collected for water sanitation and hygiene services. To help reverse this situation, the SDG program partners intervened in 2019 with WASHSDG program that used a number of interventions, including community-led total sanitation, village savings and loans associations, and scorecards.
The program is mainly intended to increase access to safe water, but also focus also on alleviating diseases through strengthening behavior change and also increasing the train coverage, where we want to see at least the communities are moving from open defecation to basic latrine coverage, at least where people can have a decent latrine and washable floors. We use a number of tools, but the lower levels where we are working with to strengthen management structures for water, we're using the community scorecard to facilitate that dialogue where the communities and the water user committees and the water boards are able to dialogue in terms of services and how best they can improve services that they're providing.
The community members in Omot Sub-County Agago District are now meeting at Omot Health Center 3 to discuss the WASH needs in their area using the scorecard. The meeting is targeting 6 water points and 1 piped water system. The meeting is attended by community members and water user committees.
We have been working together with the community and the sub-county stakeholders to improve on the knowledge, first of all, because the community scorecard is geared towards identifying the community challenges through engaging the community to identify their own problems and also come up with the possible solutions that they can use to combat those issues that they have come up with. And the ones that need the attention of the stakeholders will be forwarded, and it is always addressed in that way.
Other stakeholders in the WASH sector within the area are also meeting separately at the health facility. The stakeholders include leaders of the various water points, the health assistant, and the water board. They are also using the scorecard tool to identify gaps in the WASH service delivery in Omot Sub-County.
And through this, we are trying to promote accountability, transparency, as well as increasing participation in water and sanitation services at the lower local level.
An interface meeting between the service providers and community members is later organized, in which issues raised in the different meetings are streamlined.
Initially, there used to be wrangles and quarrels and too much time taken in the water points where people go and fetch water, and then also irregular payments of water user committees, I mean the water user fees that in most of the water sources where we have engaged this community and the user committees, many of the challenges have been addressed.
John nu ngai chor pe kita me wa kari wang pi etikarni ngai tie wa wang pi dong yot chon na menu jome ne kwa sem pot po bino kan nu kita me wang pi wa tikari nu pe be nu yi pi raj kita mo tiyo kari pi nu pe be rakari eti dakke hani kita me wanu tiyo kari pi tia be nu tuo chado ki kanu kolera kero be no nywale wang pia pol pia no jopo gwa wang pia be kita menu tike ne ti yunge dong ginu binu ni joto gwa hwang pira be bura me pi mala jo cholo ka me kita mo be war ke ye pe mo be nyal me me yotuo
kit ma ne no kere ni dunen pira kene adugine dong tie da no tia mato pi be ma be jo kenyo du jo no de tie ne no kene ga duone ken be no dong tie ma be so no dong do red me to pen.
The management of these water points has improved in terms of taking care of the small user fees that they collect monthly from the water points, and also the sense of protecting the water points. It has been on the rise.
Community scorecards have been conducted in 6 sub-counties of Geregere, Omot, Lapono, Patongo, Lamio, and Lirakato.
Our issues are addressed to a tune of 85 to 90%. We would wish networks to continue with us until we achieve our goal of having every area of WASH being addressed, and those challenges not appearing in our scorecard, so that we will know that we have reached where we wanted.
Village saving and loans associations were also used by partners to overcome WASH challenges during the implementation of the project. A total of 4 village savings and loans associations are supported by Caritas Hewasa under the project. The general program has more village savings and loans associations being supported.
Before, the major focus of the group has been saving, lending, and disbursement, all at the end of every year. But through our engagement and different trainings on credit management with the women's group, we were able to change their mind on how can they move from their traditional ways of saving and lending out money into the soft loan sanitation. We call it WASH loan.
We made Keroa, a village savings and loans association based in Patong Town Council, is meeting today to make savings and give loans to its members for their WASH needs.
The group is made up of 43 members, of whom all are women.
We're able to incorporate the WASH component, the soft loan sanitation. So members are borrowing this soft sanitation loan to start a small-scale business related to WASH, or constructing a toilet facility, any WASH-related activities at home.
Chalawan agamo alimi adek mi yobu choron nene karma no food pa yobu choron nene no ti kama tek ako yo choron erochiana mi waka gate kede ubel pere
ana gam lon mi pi pian ke ponya loka was chuwa da agam lon pi pere tek gang mi a chela gam lon ayu choron benicha mi are agam chiame ayu pi gang no ni pi be pian pi yo be ko padana ka pi be no ko ta so ya ta ni mere pi be tie wa choron be tigang gang lang.
So I came up with this idea, seeing that at least from a group we improve the water and sanitation, because our target was on only the WASH program. Then I went to the group, I borrowed 1.1, then I added on what I have. Then I started the mini hardware, and as for now, I can say there are changes in the group, because the members from our group, they can come and buy from me. Though they don't have enough money, they can pick. Then I give them some duration, and at the end, I'm seeing my target is now being met, because at least half of the members, they have the facilities at home, like the toilet and the shelters they have at home. And thanks to the Caritas, because they came with this idea.
I know bega pi we ko be chan pa what this time mabo ko be chan wa pi be pa ye wi da to en pi non ke camera luak da bi no ci document pi ci luak wek lutino be ko bedi chane pino peko mi omu pigi kama bo lutino do nga ko diko logo chi wati gang kwan ko fit mano lutino mi ko da ko malo diko gulu ne no pere chi ada no be papi weka no.
It has benefited me because I can learn from the group. Then secondly, I've managed to at least also do my facility at home, the washable facilities at home, because I have the shelter, I have the toilet. I've cemented my houses out of the what? Out of the washed lawn we always give from the group.
I am happy that most of these people, they have adapted to this system, they have adapted to this WASH aspect, and they are appreciating. We hope that by the end of this project, we are going to enroll more groups.
We hope that the efforts of the WASHSDG program in Agago district of using scorecards, village savings and loans associations, and total-led sanitation will lead to see improved WASH conditions in Agago district.
We need a lot of sensitization to change the mind of our community if we are to realize. And government is using a lot more money into ODF declaration or follow-up like that. But if we are to embark on the VSLA to incorporate this WASH loan product into their groups, really government might not even waste money now to sensitize community onto the ODF aspect of it.
I would like to appreciate NetWASH, the district as the entry point, and all the stakeholders that have been involved in this project. It has been a together fight, and we have fought it. It has reached to that level. We want to fight and finish it. And when there's always a call from us, you will be ready and available for us.